everyone, this is Nikki Grace Miranda from BSCE 3D. In this video, we are going to discuss a topic for dynamics of rigid bodies, the relative motion of acceleration. So, relative acceleration or relative motion of acceleration is the comparison of acceleration of two bodies, or for a rigid body, the acceleration of a point on the rigid body is reference to another point on it. So for better understanding, we have here an example. The crank OB has a constant clockwise angular speed of 1,500 revolution per minute. The angular velocity for AB is 29.5 rad per second. For the instant when the crank angle theta is equals to 60 degree, determine the acceleration of the piston A and the angular acceleration of the connecting rod AB. So, what is the requirements in this problem? So, determine the acceleration of the piston A and the angular acceleration of the connecting rod B. So, here is the piston A, this one, and the rod AB is this one. So, the equation of acceleration of A can be expressed as the acceleration of the crank in B. So, we have here acceleration at A is equals to acceleration at B plus acceleration of A to B normal plus tangential acceleration of A to B. So, yung point B is nagmo-move in a circle in 5 inches. So, kung titignan nyo tong figure, eto siya. Itong arrow na to. Nagmo-move siya in circle in 5 inches at a constant velocity or constant speed. So, solving for acceleration of B using normal formula, acceleration of B is equals to R times angular velocity squared. So, substitute lang natin. We have radius na 5 inches. Convert natin siya into feet. So, multiplied by 12 times 1,500, which is yung angular speed natin. Convert natin siya into radians per second. So, i-multiply natin siya sa 2 pi over 60 squared. So, the value of acceleration at point B is equals to 10,280 feet per second. 10,280 feet per second squared. So, eto na siya. So, take note lang guys na wala tayong angular acceleration. So, we only have normal components and walang tangential. So, solving for normal components of relative acceleration of A and B, we have acceleration of A and B, normal lang din guys, is equals to RW squared equals, we have 14 inches. Kung ititignan nyo yung figure, eto siya. 10 inches plus 4 is equals to 14 inches, convert into feet, times 29.5, given na siya sa problem, squared. So, ang value ng acceleration natin of A and B normal is A and B normal equals 1,015 feet per second squared. Ito na siya. So we already know the direction of point A since the piston is aligned to move along the horizontal axis of the cylinder. So adapt the algebraic solution using the geometry of acceleration on polygon. We need to calculate first the angle between AB and horizontal axis. So here is the clearer vision for the figure. This one is the 18 degree. We can solve this using the sine law. Since we already identified the angle that we needed, let's proceed to the calculation of the acceleration of point A. So for the acceleration of point A, we have acceleration of point A is equals to yung na-compute natin kanina na acceleration sa point B na 10,280 cosine 60 plus 1,015 yung normal relative acceleration for point A to B. Cosine, yung nakuha nga natin kaninang angle na 18.02 degree. Baba ko na siya dito. Minus yung hinahanap natin na tangential acceleration from point A to B. Plus sine 18.02. This is for horizontal components. So, we have the value of acceleration of point A is equals to 3,310 feet per second squared. So, ito na yung value niya. We already identified the acceleration for point A, but we have two unknown. The next one is the tangential relative acceleration for point A to B. So, proceed na tayo. We have 0 is equals to 10,280 sine 60 degree minus 1,015 sine 18.02 minus yung hinahanap natin na relative tangential acceleration from A to B cosine 18.02. This is for vertical components. So so the calculated value is tangential relative acceleration of A to B is equals to 9,030 feet per second squared. So here is the value. So for the final requirement in this problem, we need to calculate the angular acceleration of the connecting rod AB. So, meron tayo ditong formula na angular acceleration is equals to tangential acceleration over r, which is yung tangential acceleration natin is equal din dun sa relative tangential acceleration of A and B. So, substitution tayo. 9,030 all over yung radius natin na 14 inches. Convert natin sa feet. Kaya i-divide pa natin siya sa 12. So, ang value ng angular acceleration natin is equals to 7,740 rad per second squared clockwise. So, eto na yung final answer natin for this problem.